Hey everyone, Mixer Tech here, and today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you part 2 of how to create your very own Google Slide operating system. Yep, part 2 is here. And if you didn't see yesterday's video, it was very interesting. It was a Google Slide animation, so you might want to go check it out. Anyway, let's get started. And before we continue, once again, I want to plug my website, wilsonsystal.com. Go check it out. It's got some pretty cool stuff on there. Like, we got 2 new stuff on here. Yep, 2 new things. So, let's go to yeet.com. So, yep, and these are actually my favorite music. Now I can access that. So, yeah. If we go here, you've got fidget spinner, visit games, just type stuff. It's awesome. Go check it out. And Washington football team won. Oh yeah. So, alright. Let's continue with the video. Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is we are actually going to make our first app in this OS. Yep, it's here. We're going to do it today. Let's get started. So, the app that we're going to make is going to be a device info app that's going to be accessed from the start menu. And you know what? We might have time to make another app. Probably not that. So let's get started with the device info app. It's actually going to be a very simple app. We actually might do have time. So let's start by creating a button here. This, of course, making it blue or any color you would like. As a matter of fact, you know what would be really cool? Is if we made a gradient color like this. Actually looks really good. Let's see this. Let me see what this looks. Not bad. You know what? I actually might use that one day. That's a really good idea. That was really good. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it like that. Keep it like classic. And we're gonna do. We're not gonna open devices. Just devices. Okay. Eh. You might need to lay out that text. I don't know how you're gonna do. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Bigger. Yeah, that's the best I could do. Device info. You know that's good. I don't really care how it looks, to be honest. So, yeah. Okay. So, what we're going to do is we are actually going to duplicate this slide right here, this very slide. Once again, the duplicate slide tool is really helpful. And what we're going to do, we are going to do a shape program. Should look like this now. You can make it any size you like. Now, let's link the buttons up. That way, it could actually open the program. Create another slide. So, let's start the linking process. Sorry about that, by the way. There you go. Slide 15. Now we can delete the slide. And now we can put whatever you want in here. But the must-have is the close button. You put it like this. You can put like a little square with an X on it. Or you can just do an X, which I'm going to do. You could just do a red button. I'm going to do red. A simple X on it. Another option would be do like a text box. And use a red on it. But I'm just going to do this. See how it looks? Oh my gosh, no way. How do you physically handle this? Okay, that's better. That's a lot better. Now what we need to do is we're going to have to program this to go to slide 13, which is desktop. Slide 13 is going to be the base of every single slide in this thing. Everything. Every single slide is. This slide is going to open it all. Alright, now, since we've done our math, let's test it out. Desktop. Start. Device info. Boom. And the X button should work. I guess not. Hey, I'm just glad I tested it so we know it doesn't work. X link to slide 13, sorry. And then what we're going to do is we're going to remove the link thing because that doesn't make sense for an operating. For an operating system, it doesn't look good. So we're going to do black. Parent. Oh yeah, don't forget about the other underline. Yeah, we need to remove that. Now let's try it. Boom. Alright, let's try it. Device info, open, close. Boom, it works. Okay, now basically we can do whatever we want here. So let's do simple text. You can do whatever you like in here, but I'm just gonna do some simple text. I'm not gonna do like help, stuff like that. So let's see here. OS. Mixer. Mac OS. You can call it whatever you like. Although you should put it like everywhere. You could do manufacturer. Manufacturer. Man, I spelled that horribly wrong. Manufacturer. Mixer tech. Mixer. And let's see here. I think that's all I'm gonna put at this point. So yeah. That's basically all we're gonna do. So we later or now could put a button saying what is this for? What is this OS for? Why was this created? Why was this OS created? For me, I'm gonna do the real reason why this was created for YouTube purposes. Which is actually kind of surprising, because, well, it was only created for YouTube purposes. Because, like I said, this was created for the convenience of whoever. So, what I've decided to do is you can have two choices. Actually, three choices. One, you could do a little prompt thing above. You can duplicate the slide and put like a little prompt thing above, like this. Except it has to be like a different color. Or, you know, you could leave it like that. Or, like a different color. This, say for example. Choice number two, you could do a thing in this window. As you can see, like, switch it from this window. Okay, I have an exit button down here. It takes back to this screen. Or choice number three, you can do a full screen window like this. Although, I'm not going to do that. It doesn't make sense. Why would you have a full screen? You just have a window. So, it doesn't make sense. So, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the little prompt thing. Whatever. Let's do it. So, we, make the little prompt. This. change it to whatever color you like. You can do some text here. This was created for you. And you can add a button. If you want, though, you could just actually copy and paste a button. It's very convenient. You can just copy the button, paste the button. Then you put it right here. And instead of saying yes, you could say okay. Like this. What you're going to have this do is go back to slide 15. And do it like this. Now, we're pretty much finished with this program. Let's actually ignore it. Did we link this? No, we did not. One last thing to do is duplicate this twice more. I wish Google Slides would fix it. I wish Google would fix it. And should be 16. Yep, there you go. And get rid of these. And now it should work. So we're pretty much done with this program. So press start. Device info. Looks like a normal program. Why was this OS created? Boom, this works. This was created for YouTube, okay. Boom, 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 boom. And then you can do X. Booyah! So we're pretty much done with this program. So, let's see what we've done today. Let's get started. But before we continue, we can see this video. I want to plug this video that I created the other day. That, basically is a Google slideshow animation. So I'm going to show you a little clip of it. So if you, here we go. I am the coolest chicken ever. Why did the chicken cross the slides? LOL. You can see the rest of the joke in the video. Now, we can see the rest. And chicken just continues crossing the slide. This is Yep. That is the clip of the Google Slide animation video I created yesterday. Now, let's get back to the presentation and the OS and showing it off. Alright, now let's show off the OS now. We didn't do very much today, but we will in the next time. Here's the sign-in screen. And hello. Desktop. We have device info. Boom, it works perfect. Oh my god, it works perfectly. I could not say anything any better. It just works perfectly well. X boom. That is how you create your first app. That is your first app that is my first app that I've created. We're pretty mixed up today. So yeah, now we press log off, takes it back to the lock screen. Down, no. Lock screen. Shut down, no. Desktop. Down, yes. Shutting down. And I like moving my cursor. This is a habit. It just gets me practicing for my hand stuff, whatever. And now it's off. And that, my friends, is how you create a Google Slideshow OS device info program. Next part, we're actually going to be creating another app that is like, I have no idea yet, but it looks like you're going to find out when I do create this video. So I hope you're excited for part 3 coming up next. Alright, well, I will see you next time on Mixer Dude Tech. Bye, everyone! Before we end this video, I want to plug my website, wilsonsmith.com, one last time. It's got some pretty cool stuff. In fact, you can even see the code on GitHub.com. This is new. Okay. This is a pretty cool thing where you can see the code of the website on GitHub. There is the code. So go ahead and check out wilsonsmith.com today and get the code and get access to the code of the website, including all the subdomain stuff. Alright? Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!